Hey guys, so I picked up these two power wheels for $20 each. They're in pretty rough shape. I can just get in there and show you. It's pretty dirty. Just look at it. So quite dirty, this Jeep. Hey guys, this is one of the power wheels I redone. I just cleaned up just around here to make it look a little more black. I did it with all the wheels. As you saw, I think in one of my other videos, rubbed it down with some bumper and trim gel restore, so it looks pretty good. I also did rub the seats, pretty much any plastic I rubbed down with it, and it really brings out the shine. The bumper looks pretty new. Seats they glisten a bit, so they look really good. Put it this way, guys, I barely did anything to this. All I had to do basically was get a brand new charger, or not a brand new, but I found a charger offline. Got the charger. I tested the battery. Battery seems to be pretty good. All I had to do was clean it up. I'm getting about, I think, $120 for this. So that's all it was. It was just in very poor condition. I think I'll put some pictures, if I can, on this video to show you kind of how it was before. It was just in rough condition, sun weathered plastic, and I just cleaned it up with a little bit of some product. It looks fantastic now. Cleaned it up with a hose, put a little bit of soap and water, and which is good to go. So that's all basically I did. I gave these a repaint. They were pretty roughed up. So there's one on either side here. So that's all I did basically, is repaint that, and yeah, this one was pretty much good to go. I got this one and the Batmobile for 40 bucks. So making $120 off this one. So if you think about it, I paid both of them 40 bucks. So we'll say this one's 20 bucks plus I paid $20 for a charger. It's 40 bucks. I'm making money here, so I'm making about $80 profit off this one. So I'm pretty happy with that.